Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you how to do a rolling sum, rolling average in SQL Server. So in order to do that, I have taken the dataset of Adventure Work 2022. Here you can see it in the left hand side, and this dataset is already available on Microsoft website. You can visit this website and get download it. I will also send you the link in the description box if you want to practice. So now my point of interest is how we can do the rolling sum in SQL Server. So in order to do the rolling sum, I have taken the reference as a production work order table. So this is a production work order table. I hope you can see it. So I will show you the product table later on. First I will show you what I want. This is the output. In the sense, the year is there, month is there, and total quantity. These three tables are there. And what I want the cumulative sum of two rows. In the sense, say for example, I take this record, so I need the sum of first and third row. So you can say this is a cumulative row of 1. Now, if I want to take the 2, that means, say for example, I take the record of this 46,624. So I want the sum of 1, 2, 3, 4, and of course this 5. So 2 upside, 2 preceding and 2 following. So this is the problem I want to solve this using SQL Server. Okay, so let us start with the table. This is the production work order. So I will press Ctrl 3. Okay, I need to select it. Okay, Ctrl 3. So it is my shortcut key to show top 10 records. So here you can see work order, product ID, order quantity, stock quantity, start and dates. These all data are there. My point of interaction is starting date and stock quantity, order quantity. Yeah. So first of all, what I will do, I will first put a select statement. Select from this table. Okay. Now what I want to select? I want to select the year of the start date and month of the start date. So in order to do that, I need a following function called date part. So I will use a date part, and I need to put the column because I already informed I want from this production.work order table. So I will take a start date. First I need to put what part you want. I want a year, so I will put a year, then comma start date. And what will be the name of this column? I will put it as a start year. Okay, so this becomes my first year column. Now similarly I want a month, so I will copy this code, and here instead of date I will put it month. Okay, so here I will get the start month. And now what I want the cumulative sum of this total order quantity. So I will use a sum of order quantity, and I will give the name as a total order quantity. So this will be total requirement which I am expecting. Now since I am using a sum, so I need to put it as a group by. Same, this non-aggregation column I need to put it, but ensure that you don't use add alias, because it will not work. Alias, however, it is not at all required. Okay, now I will run this query and we will see what is output. So here you can see the output seems like start year, month, and order. Now it is not clear. I want to put it in a decent way, so I will put it order by clause, ordered by year, which year it should start. So I'll put it ordered by year. That should be ascending. And next is a month. Month should be also ascending. Okay, so it will show you the descent output. Correct. Now I will run this query. So here you can clearly show that the start years 2011, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, so these are the 4 years, and month also start in ascending order. Now these are the total quantity. So we got this first criteria, aggregation year. Now our point of interaction, as we discussed in the beginning, rolling sum in the sense, I decide my criteria that I need two preceding, in the sense 2 before the selection of this record, 2 rows, and 2 following. 2 following in the sense 2 records after the place of this record. So total I need the sum of these 5 records. So that is called the cumulative sum. Okay, so I will process that, and before that, what I will do now, since I will use as a CT table with CTE as select star from CTE. Now I will remove this assign order by clause, because order by clause is not required when you are using CTE within the query. So I will run my CTE query. It will throw me the same result without sorting this data. Now my point is, I want a cumulative sum, so I need to put some criteria. Say for example, I'm starting from here. I will take the sum. I need cumulative sum, so sum of total order quantity. Yeah, and now I will use a over clause, and I will give the order by start here. That should be ascending, then start month ascending. I'll just put it downside so you can view these things. Ascending, and rows between. Now main clause will come. Rows between preceding, and we need to give the condition. How many rows? So I will give 2 preceding and 2 following, and bracket close, and I will give 2 rolling sum. Yeah, so this will justify my requirement. Now let us run this query again. So I have received the output. So let us understand the output. You can see that if I take the third record, that is 46,624. So my requirement was, I want the summation of this row plus 2 preceding rows and 2 following rows. So you can say 2,69,861 is the summation of first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Why? Because I have chosen these 3 records. The record number 3. If I choose the record number 6, then its summation would be 71,664 plus 2 preceding 92,250, 41,536, and 37,614, 77,681. So that summation would be 3,20,746. So this becomes my 2 rolling sum. Now if you want 3 rolling sum, 4 rolling sum, okay, you just need to change the rows between. Okay, so it will satisfy your output. Now I want the average. Instead of sum, I want the average. So in order to do that, what you need to do, you just need to replace sum by average. So I will copy the same code, I will put it downside, I will put a comma. Yeah, and this will be the sum. Okay, sum. I will change the sum by average, and here in a column name I will also change average. The same thing I will do for minimum and maximum. Yeah, so I will here type minimum, change the column name minimum, then maximum, I'll put a max, then column name max. Yeah, and yeah, my city from city. Okay, I'll put a go statement and I'll run from start to bottom, and make sure I'll remove the semicolon comma from the last column last rows, and now I will run this city. So this is my desired output. Start year, start month, total order quantity, 2 rolling sum, 2 rolling average, same way 2 rolling mean and max. So how mean and max works? So it will follow the same principle. I have taken the mean of this third element, then 2 following and 2 preceding. 2 preceding in the sense first, second, and following means this fourth and fifth. Okay, so out of this 5 record, which is the minimum? So minimum is the first one, so it is going first one. right? The same way it is for maximum and average as well. So I hope you understand the concept of rolling sum. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you very much for watching this video.